In this video, we'll delve into the capabilities of Separ's most effective product, the water leak sensor. Imagine a typical bustling day at Separ company. Everyone is engrossed in their tasks when a section of a water pipe running through the server room begins to crack, causing water to leak and flood the room. Fortunately, the Separ's water leak sensor is there to save the day. It not only detects the leak, but also shuts off the water automatically to prevent a bigger mess. Plus, it sends you an alarm, email or text, or even calls to let you know something's wrong. This way, you can jump and fix it fast. Our Separ water leak sensor is all about keeping you informed and preventing damage. Want to learn more about this cool sensor and others? Just contact us.